Hi guys, this is MTP Tech and today we have something special. This is my first full frame camera that I bought. I think I'm gonna use it mainly for family, but also I'm gonna use it for unboxing. So here we go. And the camera is EOS R8. It's the 2023 introduced entry-level full-frame camera, which is actually like sort of budget full-frame camera, but sort of not, because Canon RP full-frame camera could be found for like 800 euros. EOS R could be found for 1,400 euros, and this was 1,400 euros. But I think this is 1,800 euros. So I think this is the good sweet spot because it has 4K 60 FPS and not as expensive as, for example, Sony A7 IV. But of course, it has downside as a camera which doesn't have IBIS. But nonetheless, let's get into this and see what's inside. Okay, what do we have here? This is, I guess, the battery charger, power cable. Okay, and it's so interesting that it's green actually. Okay, let me just quickly unfold it. Cool, let's have that there. This camera also has one thing, which is small battery, but if you want a small full frame camera, there are some downsides. So here it is, the LPE17 battery, which is around 1,000 milliampere hours. So it's not that big compared to nowadays smartphones. Of course, connected, protected. Nice, I like it. Let's put that to that place. Here we have the battery charger. I think I'm gonna buy one additional battery just to have two, so you know I can be sure that if another one is finished or something and I'm filming like in house, I can just boom, swap it out, the charged battery, swap out and put that straight to the charger, and others inside of my camera. But anyways, so we have this, the charger, the battery itself. Let's put that to the side, put that to place. Okay, what do we have? Canon image, Canon. Okay, we have application to connect it with the app, and Google Drive, Google Photos, Adapted Creative Cloud, Adobe. Okay, so they are pushing Adobe. We'll see. I'm kind of a guy who likes Final Cut and Apple stuff, but it doesn't mean anything. You can or you can try something new, like I did with Canon. Okay. What do we have here? Here we have Canon European warranty system, pretty much just warranty, and now we have getting started. Advanced user guide. They have advanced user guide. Manual instructions, manuals for lenses and software. Okay. What do we have here? Product contains button, coin, cell battery. Okay, so inside there's button, coin, cell battery. Charge the battery, blah blah blah. Oh, I can put it directly, but I don't see where. Oh yeah, that's probably the American or the UK version. This version doesn't have it. I need to go directly to the power source. There's the straps, the cord insertion, remove the cap lens. Okay, this is guide. Let's put guide in this rotation to the side. Here we have strap, a lot of straps. Oh yeah, that's actually my first Canon camera. Before I have had Sony a7 III, then I filmed with the iPhone, and I guess now sometimes I'm gonna choose between iPhone or this camera, because this is going to be a family orientated camera. Okay, this is the straps. Oh yeah, it can hold. I guess we need to dig deeper to find the camera, and here we go. That's the camera itself. What do we have? I guess that's some sort of a code. And here we have the camera itself. Man. Ooh, damn. Now that's some grip. That's what I call grip. Man, now that's a grip. Yeah. I used to have A7 Mark II, and that grip was good, but this one, man, this is so fresh, so clean. Damn. Ooh. And then I can record myself, and I can at least see what I'm recording when I'm recording myself. So that's good. I see where the... Oh, okay. Nice. That's the mount for microphones or flashes. Since I'm not fond to using flashes, then off, on, lock. Nice. There's where the straps go. MFN. One wheel, another wheel. That's cool. So that was unboxing of the EOS R8 camera. Thank you for watching this video. That was MDP Tech. If you have any questions about this camera, or if you have any ideas what about the video that I can do with this camera or about this camera, just write it in comments. And if you appreciate what I'm doing, just subscribe to the channel and share the video. So thank you for that, and bye.